Ali lives alone in a small broken house in a dusty village. The room is dimly lit with cracked walls, an old mat, and a flickering oil lamp. He sits thinking sadly about his life, but determined to change it. He works in the busy village market, carrying heavy baskets, helping sellers, and selling water bottles. The sun beats down, but he keeps working with a smile. At night, Ali counts his small savings. He decides to start his own roasted chickpea and peanut business. The next day, he buys a few ingredients and an old cart to begin. Ali stands beside his small cart in the same market, calling out to customers, "Hot roasted chickpeas." Some people laugh at him, but others start buying. Some months later, Ali's business grows. He now has a neat shop named Ali's Chickpeas. The shop is small but clean, and happy customers buy from him. Ali, now a respected businessman, stands outside his shop, watching his workers. A wooden board beside him reads, "There is blessing in hard work." He smiles proudly but humbly.